to flex my love. I want impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.